how to enter Life360 invite code. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enter Life360 invite code. So let's get started. First of all, obviously, you need to download the application of Life360. You can download it from App Store and also Google Play Store. Once done, simply sign in with your credentials, and then what you got to do is that if you have a circle invite code that you wish to be a part of, you can simply click on this over here at the top, and then you'll be able to see two options: create a circle and join a circle. Now, if you have an invite code already that someone else sent you and you want to be a part of that circle, you got to click on join a circle, and then you got to simply type that invite code down over here. Click on submit, and if the invite code is correct, you'll be made a part of that circle. So that is basically how you can enter Life360 invite code. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.